Hey everyone, welcome back to Beautyistic. Today, we're diving into something a little different but super important, dental care. We're taking a close look at the Practicon Smilegoods Adult Deluxe Dental Care Kit. This set comes with a toothbrush, toothpaste, floss, tongue cleaner, and even lip balm, all packed into 72 pieces. It's designed to cover all your oral hygiene essentials in one kit, and it's made right here in the US. So let's break down what's inside. The toothbrush features an ergonomic handle with a sparkling design, which caught my eye. It has flat-trimmed bristles and an ultra-compact head, making it easier to reach those tricky spots in your mouth. The floss is waxed and has a bubblegum flavor, which makes flossing a bit more enjoyable than the usual minty kind. The toothpaste included is a 0.85-ounce tube of Crest, a brand many of us trust. Plus, there's a tongue cleaner to help tackle bad breath by removing bacteria buildup, and a little tube of lip balm to keep your lips hydrated. I incorporated this kit into my daily routine for a couple of weeks to see how it performed. The toothbrush handle felt comfortable and sturdy, which is key when you're brushing twice a day. The bristles were soft enough to be gentle on gums, but effective in cleaning. The compact head did help me navigate the back molars without much fuss. The bubblegum floss was surprisingly pleasant, not too sweet, and it didn't shred or snap during use, which is a common issue with lower quality flosses. Using the tongue cleaner felt refreshing and seemed to help with morning breath. As for the lip balm, it had a nice light texture and wasn't greasy, which I appreciated. Now, no product is perfect, so here's the honest take. The toothbrush is solid, but the handle's sparkle design might not be everyone's cup of tea if you prefer a more minimalist look. Also, since the toothpaste tubes are on the smaller side, they might run out quickly if you're using this kit long term. The lip balm is a nice addition, but it's very basic. So if you're someone who likes tinted or medicated lip balms, this might feel a bit plain. Overall, I'd say this kit strikes a good balance between convenience and quality. Having all these essentials together makes it especially handy for travel or gifting. The build quality across the kit feels reliable, and coming from a reputable brand like Crest for toothpaste gives it added confidence. If I compare this to other dental kits on the market, the inclusion of bubblegum floss and lip balm makes it stand out a bit. Many kits skip those little extras, so Smilegoods scores points for a more comprehensive approach. That said, if you're strictly looking for toothpaste and a toothbrush, there are cheaper options out there. But if you want an all-in-one kit that covers a few more bases, this is a solid choice. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. In terms of value, considering you get 72 pieces, this kit offers strong bang for your buck. The price reflects convenience and decent quality, but if you're a brand loyalist who prefers a specific toothpaste or floss, you might mix and match instead. I didn't have to contact customer service, but Smilegoods has a good reputation for support, so that's reassuring if any issues come up. If you're someone who prioritizes a simple yet thorough dental care routine, this kit fits the bill nicely. It's great for busy people who want an easy grab-and-go solution, or those who travel often and don't want to pack separate items. If you've used this product, drop a comment below. Let us know your thoughts. Have you tried the bubblegum floss or the lip balm? I'd love to hear your experience. Thanks so much for tuning in to Beautyistic, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.